Garden of Gratitude, a short moral story. Daisy was a little girl who loved to play in her grandmother's garden. The flowers always bloomed brighter when Daisy was around. But one day, Daisy grew tired of the same old flowers and complained, "Why don't we have big, fancy plants like the neighbors?" Her grandmother smiled gently and handed Daisy a tiny seed. "Plant this and care for it with gratitude, not grumbling." Daisy wasn't sure, but she planted the seed and whispered a thank you for the sun, the soil, and even the bugs. Every day, she watered the plant and listed things she was thankful for: her warm bed, her dog Max, the stories her grandma told. Weeks passed, and something magical happened. A stunning golden flower bloomed, more beautiful than anything she had ever seen. The neighbors stopped to admire it. Daisy realized it wasn't about how fancy something looked, but how much love and thanks you poured into it. From that day on, Daisy called her little patch the Garden of Gratitude. Moral: gratitude turns the ordinary into something extraordinary. The more you appreciate, the more beauty grows in your life. Thank you for watching.